This is our STAR22 model. It's a telescopic mast lift.
One of the things I'm most excited about this week is a piece of equipment. I love equipment. Any shop owner, and you know who you are out there, we love equipment, love it. We got hold of a company called Haulotte, and they make a really cool lift. This building is 34 feet to the top of the center of it.
How high do you want me to go, Mark?
I would like you to go all the way up and check that one bulb on the end there. So with this type of equipment, it allows us to be able to, one, safe. Nobody's going to fall off of a ladder doing that. It's a beautiful piece of equipment. Save time looking for things. Be able to keep the building up and maintained the way it's supposed to be at all times. I take this particular piece of equipment very seriously. It's not quite like the golf cart that you might see me out there doing a 180 off the top of a mud bank. All right, that's fun stuff. But this is where you have to draw the line and be a good example for everybody who works for you.
Oh, I can check the light.
Yeah. Well, that's why we got it. What do you think, Douglas?
I love it.
Yeah.
This is great.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Well, I love it.
Okay, well, thank you,
you
sir.
very much. This is
Thank you, sir.
a great piece of equipment. This is awesome.
Thank you very much.